how to make Moringa and Cassia cream. So first thing you do, you get fresh Moringa leaves. If you have the dry Moringa leaves, you can use the powder, but I'm using the fresh Moringa leaves, so I'm picking some Moringa leaves now. Next thing, you pick your cassia leaves, so you look for the fresh cassia leaf. I'm just going to take this out. Okay, so this is what I'm using as part of the cassia leaf that is going to be part of the cream. The purpose of this formula is to produce a cream that will take care of skin rashes, eczema, and ringworm. Remember to wash your leaves in salt water and rinse properly. Next, I would air dry to remove all the moisture, and I usually do this under my favorite tree. The essence of having this under this tree is to provide a shade so that there is no direct sunlight UV rays on the leaves while drying. So I just demoisturize it this way naturally before using it for the cream. Chop the leaves. These are the moringa seeds and these are the husk. Because of the benefit of this husk to cleanse blemishes from the skin, I am blending my moringa seeds with the husk. So I just put a handful in my blender and leave the rest for some other uses. Grinded moringa seeds, chopped leaves, then shea butter. Using an in-boiler system, melt the shea butter on the low flame. Add the chopped leaves. Stir. Then you add the grinded moringa seeds. You stir the mixture. Then you cover it to steep while you put out the heat. When it is well diffused, you will notice the oil floating on top and all the leaves, the ingredients, have submerged to the bottom. Here we are. Next, we will add jojoba oil, a deep penetrating oil that works with collagen to enhance your collagen and mingles with your body's serum to help it penetrate, build collagen, and mingle with the body's sebum effectively. A tablespoon of argan oil to help it penetrate the skin. We would follow through with a stick blender to bring the whole mixture together. You can see that. Here it is. Moringa Cassia cream. See that? Super ready.